Valiant TMS serves the automotive, aerospace, off-road, and construction industries. We provide the machines and the solutions and do the integration of robotic cells. And so we build one product that processes a million products. Valiant TMS started investigating additive manufacturing to be able to do rapid prototyping, proof of concept models, and be able to take a designer's idea and have a physical model on the desk within a day or two. Much easier to sell your idea, have other people understand where that has benefit and feature for our customer. One of our biggest challenges was Class A surface for automotive or aerospace. As soon as we saw the Origin One and we saw that we could do texturing, we could basically put knurling, we could put nomenclature. We jumped on the Origin One right away because now I'm making true A-surface nests that are being used on final delivered tools to our customer.
The part that I'm holding in my hands, it's a component that is going to be integrated into a manual tool in the automotive industry. It's used by an operator 8 hours a day, where ergo plays a big role. We created this using 3172, which is a high impact resistant material. It provides a good surface finish. In comparison with to traditional manufacturing, you'll need like 2 days to produce this part using a 5-axis CNC machining. When it comes to additive, we can produce this part in maximum around 5 hours.
This is an example of a manual tool piece that we produce using the Origin One printer. This is printed out of Dura 56. Originally, this part was an aluminum piece. It's a handle for a manual tool. So in the aluminum piece, it was heavy, cold, non-ergonomic. So the Origin One offers us a platform to produce these parts where we can make them cost effectively, having better ergonomics, lighter weight, a finer surface finish, and ultimately it makes the operator who's using this manual tool work better, work faster, more comfortably.
The range of materials Stratasys are offering for Origin One can cover most of the application we are having, but we are looking to identify even more materials. That will enable a lot more applications for us. We choose Stratasys because we work with Stratasys for years now. We build trust, and we didn't want to change the experience we already had with Stratasys. It's more of a friendship type of relationship between our company and Stratasys.
Our alignment with the customer, getting involved with them, working on consortium groups, sharing information, sharing ideas, allows us to serve them better. And ultimately, going into the additive area with Stratasys has allowed us to align with our customers.